The mean of 3 children's little fingers is 10.2. The mean of 7 adults' little fingers is 13.1. What is the overall mean length of the 10 people's little fingers? Okay, so let's just have a look at the children's fingers to start with. So we've got 3 children. One, two, three. And to find the mean, we add them all together. I don't know what that is at the moment. And then we divide by how many there are, which is there's 3 children. And that gives us a mean of 10.2. So if I do this backwards, I can figure out the total. So 10.2 times 3, which is 30.6. The total length for children is 30.6. So we've also got adults, and we've got 7 adults. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, I don't know what the total is, but I know that the mean is the total divided by how many there are, which in this case is 7, gives me an answer of 13.1. So if I do it backwards and use my inverse operations, 13.1 times by 7, put that on my calculator, and that gets me 91.7. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of some of the information to clear some space. So I want to find the overall mean, so I need the total for overall. So that's going to be the 30.6 plus the 91.7, which is 122.3. So the mean is the total, 122.3, divided by how many there are. Now there's 3 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so there's 10 altogether. So it's 122.3 divided by 10, which is 12.23. So the mean for children and adults is 12.23 centimetres.